Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in our November Let's Go Creative Card Kit. There is some bling, there is some blue grosgrain ribbon, there is a packet of Let's Go collectibles, there is a 6.5 inch paper pad, and I'm going to give you a quick flick through that. Lots of beautiful designs. There is a packet of craft card and envelopes from Kaiser Craft with 10 card and envelopes in it. And of course, if you flick this out, you have got all of your cards. Let's take a look at these gorgeous cards. Although these are kind of travel themed cards, I feel like they would make perfect mail cards. If you just swapped out that adventure with a happy birthday, perfect. Again, just swap these sentiments out with some mail birthday themed sentiments, and you have got some fantastic mail cards right here. Although I don't mind like this one here, The Adventure Begins. Like, my boys would love that. They're at that kind of traveling age. So that is it. That is our Let's Go card kit. We have got these on our website now. They're just $25 and you can buy them on our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au.